Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect Bluetooth headphones to the phone when it is not showing. Connecting Bluetooth headphones is important if you are in a noisy place and you have to attend a meeting. In that case, you must have headphones to listen carefully. So to connect the headphones, first of all, click on Settings on your phone. Once you get into the settings, go into Bluetooth from here. Now make sure to turn on Bluetooth by turning on the toggle from the top right corner. Then ensure that your Bluetooth headphones are in pairing mode. Now make sure your Bluetooth headphones are compatible with your phone. So click on the quest mark icon from the top right corner and choose what you want to connect. Now tap on the headphones or speakers options from here. It will tell you the detailed process to connect your headphones. Also, check the specifications of both devices to confirm they support the same Bluetooth version. Then search for the device on your phone or tablet and pair it with it. This mode is often activated by holding down the power button until you see a blinking LED light or hear a pairing prompt. When you press the button, you will be able to see your headphone. Now tap on them to connect with your phone. Once you connect your headphones to your phone, you can use them freely. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.